Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Infosys System Engineer role, which is for 3.6 LPA. This is an on-campus placement which is occurred in 2024 December, and this video on reasoning ability questions. Okay, in my previous video I have done a video on reasoning ability only. In my next video I am going to do on pseudocodes as well as puzzles. Okay, now let us going into the video. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the video. Question is, in each of the question below, there are 2 or 3 statements followed by 2 conclusions numbered 1 and 2. You have to take the 2 or 3 statements to be true even if they are seems to be at various commonly known facts, and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows the given statements regarding the commonly known facts. Okay, now let us see the things. If conclusion 1 follows, 2 follows. If 1 doesn't follow, 2 doesn't follow. Okay, all bowlers are sprinters, all fielders are sprinters. Okay, going to see the conclusions. All fielders are bowlers, some sprinters are fielders. Okay, what is the thing to be do is, here it is given, wait a minute. See, all bowlers are sprinters. Okay, all fielders are sprinters. That means bowlers and fielders are sprinters. Okay, these are the statements. See here, bowlers and fielders are sprinters. Okay, this might be the diagram or this can be also a diagram. So, by considering these two, which of the conclusions follows means only B and C follows. Okay, these two only follows. That means if conclusion 2 follows and if 1 doesn't follow. Okay, that is the thing. If you want, have a screenshot. Okay, let us going into the another question. Question are based on the data given below. Which of the following items accounts for maximum expenditure during the years of 1977 to 1981? Okay, it is given in this way, and you are given the options also. Which of the following item accounts are maximum expenditure from 1977 to 1981 means, see, salaries has, I think so, option B is salaries. Expenditure. Okay, expenditure means black one, expenditure during and expend. So option B is the correct answer. Excuse me. Okay, item with maximum expenditure during the 1977 and 81. Here is the explanation. See, among these all, salaries have more expenditure. Okay, that is the thing with this question. Let us going into the another question. Okay, again, and the question is, the amount of expenditure on education is approximately what fraction of expenditure on machinery during the years? Okay, in this way only we also faced the questions. So they have given a bar chart and they have asked us questions, but not this question and not this bar chart. It is another one. So you might be facing another bar chart and questions. So prepare yourself in order to answer these type of questions. Okay, see the explanation over here. They are asked to compare, right? So education is to machinery is 15 is to 20, that is 3 is to 4, and option A is correct answer. Okay, let us going into the other question. Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Okay, the ninth question is, if total expenditure on housing is 1125 crores during 1977 to 1981, the total expenditure on machinery during the same period is. Okay, here is the calculation. Okay, 17 parts it is done, and each part consists of 75. Hence during the machinery during is 20. Okay, so by calculation it is 1500. Okay, that is the answer. Let us going into the another question. It is all questions based upon bar chart. Okay, and this is another question. You have to say which of the conclusion follows. See, no sheet is paper, all papers are books. And conclusions are some papers are books and some papers are not sheets. And option A and option C are correct. That means B and A are correct. Okay, we are going to see the explanation. If we observe the conclusions carefully, we can understand that conclusions are statements written in different forms. Okay, no sheet is paper, and if no sheet is paper, then some sheets are also not papers, which can be written as some papers are not sheets. And conclusion 1 follows the given statement. Conclusion 2 is all papers are books. If all papers are books, some papers are also books. Conclusion 2 follows the statement. So B and A are correct answer. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, hit a like, so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, thank you. In my next video I am going to do more and more questions from Infosys only. Okay, thank you so much. If you want another company videos, please put it in comment section. Thank you.